Today I'm sharing my honest review of Holmbech Thomas in 2026 and whether it's actually worth your money. I came across this after hearing mixed opinions online, so I decided to take a closer look myself. Right away, the setup and overall presentation felt professional, but what matters most is performance. In my experience, Holmbech Thomas does deliver on some of its promises, especially in terms of usability and initial results. However, it's not perfect. There are a few areas where it feels a bit overpriced compared to similar options out there. Support was decent, nothing extraordinary, but responsive enough when I had questions. So is it worth it? Honestly, it depends on what you're looking for. If you value simplicity and a polished experience, it could be a good fit. But if you're on a tight budget, you might want to compare alternatives first. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'll respond personally soon too.